Hey, what's up guys, it's Kaustubh here and today I will be showcasing top 5 Android apps that you should definitely try out for the month of July 2020. Also, I have categorized these apps into productivity apps as well as fun to use apps. And as per the drill guys, make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below and also turn the notifications on so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So without wasting any further time, let's roll the intro and let's get the video started. So first up on the list guys is Gbox Toolkit. This is the app and it is basically an Instagram toolkit for all the Instagram tools you might ever need. My favorite features guys in this whole toolkit is this one. This is the Gbox keyboard guys. So in Android, if you know that you cannot post like overlap two images together. With the help of this toolkit app, you can place two photos simultaneously in your Instagram story. This is the hashtags feature, like whenever you are about to upload now. So the hashtags given by this app is really great. It uses artificial intelligence to generate hashtags for your post. So that's the second feature I really like. And the next feature is this third feature which I liked is creative fonts. So here are a couple of fonts like which you can use in your captions. Next feature that I like guys is color picker, and this feature is basically like you get this scroll bar, and if you get this anywhere, like it will just tell you the name of the color. Like, so the names that are coming, you can use it as your captions. It sounds really cool, I should say. Like, so overall I should say this app is a great app and you should definitely check it out. Second app on the list is Wi-Fi Link. So a Wi-Fi Link, Wi-Fi Share basically is the name of the app guys. And so what this app essentially does is that it helps you to share your Wi-Fi without giving out the password. So what all you have to do is just enter the password, like your own Wi-Fi password. Here this app will automatically generate a QR code for your Wi-Fi password. So here if you click on that QR code icon, you get these two options. You can either show this image type, like just share it through WhatsApp, or also you can show this QR code directly. It will automatically get connected to your Wi-Fi network. So it works both for hotspot as well as your Wi-Fi connection. So that's a great thing, and this app is definitely helpful. Third app on the list is Dolby On. So as going by the name guys, this is a recorder, I should say, a music recorder or a voice recorder, but it is a Dolby based voice recorder, and the quality that you get from this guys is just mind-blowing, I should say that. Like, I have not seen any voice recorder of this kind. This is a great voice recorder. Whenever you record a voice clip on this, you can automatically, like, the app does its own thing, but you can also tweak it yourself. So here in the settings, if you go, you can change the sound profile literally, like prefer keeping it at amped here, and also you have got a couple of sound profiles, a couple of options. So noise reduction, you can turn on noise reduction, so it does auto noise reduction, that too in the app itself. This bass, you can turn up the bass according to your need or your likings. Then treble as well as boost, and trim, you can trim it, enhances the voice quality. So it's definitely worth checking out. Fourth app on the list guys is ProScreens, and this basically is a setup app. Like, if you are into cool minimal setups or really effective setup on your Android phone, all the users who use this app have basically made their own setups and uploaded it to here so that you can similarly set up. So if you want any kind of look, like suppose if I select this one, this has a quite minimal look, I really liked it, so I will just click on it, and this is how my home screen will look if I apply this. So what you have to do to apply is just go in the details here, and you will get all the details, like what all wallpaper the user has used, as well as the icon pack, as well as the KWGT theme, and Nova launcher, the launcher which has been used. So you can just go into whichever setup you want and just select it and get the details and set it up accordingly. So you have wallpapers, so it has this category of wallpapers. Like, so guys, if you are into Android setups and getting your phone really personal according to your liking, then you should definitely check this app out. Last app on the list guys is this. This is called as Factor, and this is a fun to use app. Like, it is a cool app, I thought, so that's why I've included it. And what it basically does is it gives you an AR experience, that is augmented reality experience. It has a lot of objects in which you can place in real time. You can just view them. So I will just quickly show you a couple of objects here. So as we can see, we have this cars, or a lot of cars are there. Like, so I'll just place click on this Bugatti Chiron here, and just you have to click on view in AR. So right now guys, as you can see, I have placed this car in augmented reality here, and it looks really cool, I should say, like the Bugatti Chiron. You can see each and every minor detail of the car. So it is a great app, it is a fun to use app. If you should definitely check it out to kill some time. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. I hope you liked all this top 5 apps that I've shown in the month of July 2020. So yeah, so that's about it. This is your boy Kaustubia from T2E signing off. You guys have a great day.